Take and drop. Take. I have -10 and -3 from all this blue range. What is -10? What is -3? Let's start with something from the beginning. Take array. Then I have the rows. Let's use 1. Okay, if I use 1, it's the first. Let's increase to 3. The 3 first rows. Let's put 10. So I'm taking the 10 first rows. But I have also the columns. Maybe I want only 2. So 2 columns is similar to the choose rows or choose calls, but a little more flexible and also powerful. All right. So with this example here, I'm using negative to pick numbers from the other side and also negative columns. So here are the selection. This is what I'm taking to this result, right? The last 10 rows and the last 3 columns. Grain is saying that we can develop some games. Yes, yes. Especially board games in Excel with this kind of functions. All right. And drop, this is the last one. Bob was concerned about the time, but it's all planned. Drop is the opposite of take. When, let's write drop here. Drop. From my data set, dropping 1 row. Row or column, it's always important to double check here. Rows. 1. It's all the data set. It looks too different, but it's coming from here. I'm not considering the first row. So when I drop 1, I'm dropping the first row. If I use drop 10, I'm dropping the first 10 rows, then the result will be this here. And of course, I can drop the columns as well. So keep in mind, we don't have take rows and take calls or drop rows and drop calls. Drop and take are more flexible than the other here, these here. Take and drop are more flexible because we can use rows and columns inside the arguments. All right. So if I use 1, I'm not considering the first. So this is the result. I'm dropping 1 column and I'm dropping 10 rows. All right.